Hi, AJ.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I just cooking chicken nuggets.
You're cooking chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Like Mommy does?
Yeah.
Oh, that's such a big girl. How many chicken nuggets are there?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 19, 16, 18, 16, 19, 16, 19, 16.
Oh, excellent.
And 1,
You did a good job, honey.
2,
Okay, are you all done? Are they all on there?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Are all the chicken nuggets on the sheet, honey? Is there any more?
2.
AJ, is there any more?
Yeah.
Okay. Put them on. Is there any room for them?
No?
Maybe you can smush those nuggets over and make some room.
Well, I can.
What about if you just smush them over like this? Make some new room. There you go. You can fit some more nuggets now. There you go. Get some more nuggets down. Put them on there.
Move them here and makes.
No. Get more nuggets out of the bag, sweetie.
Well, I just do it over here. There.
You like them to be straight? Do they gotta look pretty?
Yeah. Put up the top.
Hold on, honey. Look. No, you can't put them on top.
But why?
Because you can't. There's only a couple more. See, they don't need to go on top. See?
Mine.
Okay, you're all done. Say good job, AJ.
Good job.
Do you love your mommy?
Yeah.
Do you like to be like her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know them.
Where's mommy at?
Mommy's up to the work.
Oh, what does she do? What's her job?
His job at work.
What does she do?
She does.
Is she a nurse?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What does she do? Does she make people feel better?
Yeah. People feel better like this. Like that.
Oh, hopefully she doesn't make people feel better like that.
Yeah.
Well, all right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wave. Say bye-bye.